Click on the subscribe button, hit on the bell icon and stay with us.
Hello viewers, in this video, I will show you how to set icons of desktop on Windows 11. Here you can see there is no this PC icon in my desktop. Now I will show you how to fix it. You will find this problem after installing Windows. So, let's start without losing any time. Right-click on desktop and click Personalize. A settings window will come up. Select Personalize. Now click Desktop Icons. Now select icons you want to show on desktop. It's the desktop icon. Its control panel. Its network. Its users folder. It accesses your users folder. Now I will select this PC and users folder. You will select as your requires. So, here's my desktop icons. So, it's completed. Bye. See you in again video.